Professional, innovative, ORBITA. With more than 15 years experience, ORBITA has grown up to be the largest Chinese high-tech manufacturer in hospitality industry, occupying a 46,000 square meter garden factory. We committed to produce high-quality products, including hotel card locks, in-room safe, minibar, and intelligent room control systems, etc. Thanks to the technology and machinery innovation, now we're able to produce 100,000 locks, 50,000 safes, 20,000 minibars, and 10,000 sets smart hotel products per month, with 90% of the components made in-house. In the world, more than 10,000 hotels in more than 100 countries are using our products. And almost all the international hotel management companies have a close cooperation with us, including Marriott, Starwood, Accor, IHG, Wyndham, Carlson, Kempinski, and Hilton, etc. ORBITA also provides OEM services from many renowned peer enterprises in the industry. The powerful R&D ability, strong production strengths, strict quality management system, timely and thoughtful service constitute the core competitiveness of ORBITA. The online ERP system has just connected all our production, marketing, service team with our customers with extra efficiency. Quality and innovation are the main concern in all aspects of the value chain of ORBITA, including research and development, design, production, assembly, testing, and after-sales services. Every process is from a collection of decades of experience and anticipation of the latest technology. All our products are produced in our ISO 9001 certified factory with international standards like CE, FCC, RoHS, EMC, LVD, GCC, SASO, etc. ORBITA is also the few manufacturers in this industry that passed 800,000 times BHMA circling test and UL test. ORBITA's software has been certified by Opera and most of other popular PMS for its compatibility. Besides ORBITA Huizhou factory, our subsidiaries include ORBITA Shenzhen, ORBITA Hong Kong, ORBITA Thailand, ORBITA Vietnam, ORBITA Russia, ORBITA Dubai, ORBITA UK, ORBITA Brazil. ORBITA is determined to surpass the peer with better design, better quality, better service at affordable price. Professional, innovative, ORBITA.